Yo, what's up, guys? I know it's been a minute since I've streamed, but I'm going to get into it today. Really excited. Finally got some downtime from packing and moving. You see, all my stuff's gone. Second desk is taken down. All of my stuff is gone. So I told you guys we were moving to South Carolina. It's official. We're doing it. Both Jenny and I are super excited. But I figured in the meantime, might as well play some games because I feel like I've been run last couple weeks. So let me load up Steam here and see what we got going on. I know that it was holiday sales going on. See anything worthwhile, anything good. I do like Planet Zoo. It's only a 10% discount though. Kind of got to save some money right now. Uh, this is a pretty good game. So let's see. I'll throw it on my wish list for right now. Let's see what I got in my library to play. Oh man, Jurassic World. See how that update's going. Hang on. Oh, Stickle's calling. Let me see what he wants. Hello?
Hey, Swarty, how you doing today?
Doing great, man. Just recording a stream here. What's going on?
Oh, hey, I know it's Sunday, and I was hoping you might do me a small favor.
Sure. What's up,
You
man?
got a little time?
Yeah, absolutely,
You know you
boss.
always have a way. You're always willing to help. I really appreciate it. You
Sure.
know how we used that photo in the past? I'm
Yeah.
thinking about here at Beavers. First of all, congratulations. I'm looking forward to working with you here.
Thanks, man. Me
Um,
too.
but we're gonna use Schoology instead. It's pretty similar. But you have a way of kind of walking people through things with your videos. I wonder if you might be able to maybe show people how to log in for the first time, get into
Okay.
the Beavers group, and then maybe look down at the resources that we have in here. We've already got some standard school calendar and master schedule. Now, a lot of things aren't loaded in. You just kind of show everyone how to use the program.
Yeah.
Our goal is this, so we need to have like one place where we can go to for all of our school information, kind of a warehouse of standards, instruction, plan,
Mhm.
as well as just like routines and procedures and a virtual staff handbook. So
I think that's
that's
a
what we're
great
trying to pull
idea.
off with Schoology. Yeah, if you can walk everyone through that, I really appreciate it, buddy.
Yeah, absolutely, man. I'll get on it as soon as I can.
Okay, hey, see you soon.
All right. Talk to you later, buddy.
Bye.
Bye. Well, guess it's time to make a video. Alright, guys. By popular demand, I am here to talk to you about Schoology. Schoology is a Twitter meets Facebook type of teacher app or teacher platform that allows us to collaborate and build a community um, within our school so that everyone kind of knows what's going on a little bit better. We can see in other people's classrooms without actually being there. And it's overall a really, really great resource for us to have. And I'll tell you why. So first, let me go ahead and go over to my showing mode. Hey, still here, just up in the corner, one of these corners. I don't know. I'm around. Anyway, the first thing we're going to do is head over to Schoology.com. I'm doing this on a computer because all of my recording equipment is set up on my computer. You can do it on your phone on the Schoology app. Either way will work fine. Once you're here, you'll click on Sign Up. You'll click Instructor. It's going to ask you for your first and last name, a username, or an email rather, and a password. And once you do that, it'll ask you to verify your email, and then it'll ask you to take a picture of your school ID or your driver's license just so they can verify that you are actually educators. Um, but once that's done, you're good to go. So let me go ahead and log in. When you log in, you'll be greeted by this lovely page here. It's kind of like a Twitter feed where you have all the information that's been posted by whatever groups you're in. So I am currently in the Meavers group and I am at the Coastal Middle School team group, which we use this quite extensively to make sure that we were all on the same page and collaborating and made sure that we had schedules done, made sure that we had NWEA schedules, and made sure that we had Thursday night school data. So, with that being said, this is what you'll see when you first log in. You have your courses tab, which is your classes. I haven't got them completely set up yet, haven't done any photos or anything fancy. I just kind of set them up so that way I would have a landing pad for when I do meet my kids, and then I can get the ball rolling rather quickly. The next thing is what we're going to talk about here, which is the groups tab. And this is where I'll show you how to join the Meverse group here. This is my other group that I'm in. And then the last tab is the resource tab, which is where you can store all of your resources. And I'll do a full in-depth thing about this in another video. So back to the groups tab here, you're going to click on My Groups. Once you click on My Groups, you'll have your groups listed here, and then you can join a group. Once you join a group, it's going to ask you for that access code that is in the Meverse minutes this week. You just paste it in there, click join, and then it will take you to the Meverse crew here. The Meverse crew page is your landing pad here. Your landing page here is going to be all of the updates that are here. In order to post an update yourself, you would just type something in here. Hi, I'm posting an update now. Once you do that, you can make certain things bold if you want to. It's completely up to you. It's kind of like Word. You can bold, italicize, underline. You can put bullets in. It's got a built-in spell checker, which is fantastic. Although I would totally recommend Grammarly. Great program. In order to make sure that your spelling is up to par. You can also add files, links, and your resources that you create can all go right here. Then once you have anything up that you want to, you just click post, and it will post an update to the Meverse page. This is fantastic for sharing what you're doing in your class. If you have some awesome pictures that you want to share, I know that for the middle school coastal team, we had pictures of our cheerleader squad, we had pictures of our basketball squad, and just different things that we've done in the classroom, like science investigations and whatnot. Just lets everybody know what's going on, and it's great to get praised and share all these amazing things that teachers do every day. So from there, on the left-hand side here, you have another set of tabs. That was our updates. We have discussions. Discussions are kind of like threads that you create. If you have a question that you like a lot of people to chime into, it's kind of like Reddit in a way where you got your topic, then you got all your subtopics. Albums, this is where you can upload your pictures, and all the pictures that you upload from updates will go in here, so that way it's a great thing for like yearbook or something like that. They can come in, take some photos, throw them in the yearbook. Makes everybody's life easier. Excuse me. Sorry. Sat down for a second, stopped packing, and now I'm yawning. Here's the members group list. It's sorted by last names, which is fantastic because, look, we're teachers. We call everybody by last name. So if you're looking for a specific teacher to send a message to, you just type in their name, and it'll pop up here, and then you can click on their name and send them a message or text them or whatnot. It's just it shows you who's in the group and who's not. And then finally we have resources. This is the important piece of information here. You have these folders that are all lovely color coded. I just noticed that. You have lesson plans, handbook, state standards, the Meverse minutes, school calendar, schedule, and data info. So all of this stuff will eventually be filled. I think that they're working on it currently, so some of the stuff has information in it, some of it does not, and it'll be updated as we proceed throughout the school year. The important thing that I just want to make note of is the lesson plans tab. They have the lesson plans for the third quarter, and they will have them updated as we go, just like everything else. To upload one of your lesson plans. You just click on whatever week of we're doing, and I'll just use January 6th as an example. Then you'll click on your grade, and then you add a resource. You're just going to click a file, attach file, and I happen to be in my week 6 for my pre-algebra class. And I have my lesson plans done on a Word document, and I just title it with my last name, the subject, and the lesson plans of the dates. Once you have that and you have your lesson plans done, you just click open. It's going to have your title here of your file. Then you add the file. You can add standards if you want. I'm just going to add the file because I have all my standards in my lesson plan. Once you do that, your lesson plan is going to appear there. And then anybody can come in and click it, take a look at your lesson plan. Mine's pretty basic, but it lets me know what I'm doing and lets everybody know what I'm doing. So I was doing a test that day. And then, yep, Unit 2. Neat. I remember this. That was fun. Anyway, I digress. So you'll upload your lesson plans there. You can upload them weekly. I'm not sure what day we're going to need to have them up. It used to be that we had them up Monday by like 10 or 9 or something like that. I would usually try to post them up Sunday night because, hey man, Sunday's for plannings. Alright, I am going to delete this because it's not really relevant. I don't teach 8th grade anymore. So that's now deleted. I think that's the gist of it for now. I'll do some more videos about courses. I'll do videos on uploading resources. But right now, I think the major thing is getting you guys into the Meavers crew, getting you guys a little bit more familiar with posting on here and making comments and talking. And hey man, I'm going to like my own posts because I'm that cool. With that being said, I think that's a good place to end it. I am just that cool, and I'll see you later.